Ready? One, two, three, start. One point has been raised by my honorable friend that the percentage of reduction of taxes in the lower income group are not adequate, while the percentages of reduction of taxes in the upper income group are more. In this connection, I would like to point out one aspect which should be kept in mind. If we come to a conclusion that taxation is the only instrument of doing away economic disparity, perhaps it would not be correct. There are certain other factors which must be taken into account in this respect. In a developing economy like ours, no doubt taxation is a very important instrument of doing away economic disparity, but at the same time, there are certain other factors which also contribute for making the certain other factors which also contribute for making the desired goal, such as investment policy, industrial licensing policy, and there is no denying the fact that for the last few years the government is trying to concentrate on those fronts. Therefore, when certain tax rates have been reduced, it would not be correct to come to a conclusion that we have given up our idea of doing away economic disparities which prevail in the society. Para, I would like to submit that the basic objective of our taxation system is progression in the rate of taxes. Even in the present tax structure, as it has been pointed out by my honorable friend while making his justification for reduction, but on the wealth tax side, this does not find any justification. Some people may be wondering why we cannot have a higher percentage of taxes. Sir, from the experience that we have gained during all these years, it has been established that a higher rate tax at a certain stage becomes counterproductive. There is no denying the fact that the rate of tax for income of over 90% that does create distortion not only in one form but in many directions. That does not mean that if somebody has acquired income or wealth up to a certain level, he does not acquire wealth anymore. But what happens is that he does acquire wealth, but that wealth or income is not brought into the books, as a result of which all such vulgar expenditure is going on. There is no denial of the fact that the operation of black money which went on and which is still going on in the country is the product to some extent of a system like this. Therefore, to ensure that we do not have increase in black money, the rates of direct taxes should go down.